In 2004, when I started, the college had just received a National Science Foundation Bridges to the Doctorate program to support minority PhD students. We also had just received an Alfred P. Sloan Foundation Minority PhDs award. These awards provide not only financial support, but a much more support in terms of encouraging or giving students the tools needed to be successful, not only in a PhD program, but after the PhD program.
Hi, my name is Andrea Rocha, and I recently graduated with my PhD in engineering science. Support and funding for my project came from the Bridge to Doctorate Fellowship program as well as the Sloan Fellowship program. Without the support for these 3 years, I would not have been able to successfully complete my project. During my first 2 years at USF, I was granted the opportunity to participate in an internship program. I went to Oak Ridge National Laboratory, where I was selected as part of the Research Alliance of Math and Science program under Debbie McCoy. And during that program, I was given a mentor, Dr. Nagisa Samantova, and during that program, I was able to learn computational biology skills, which later came and helped me complete my dissertation project.
I first got funded by the NSF Bridge to Doctorate program. Being part of this program gave me the opportunity to work side by side with students with different academic and cultural backgrounds. Being from Puerto Rico, I never thought I would have a chance to work with people from India, from Iran, Greece, Africa, Colombia, well, from all over the world.
The assistantship through the NSF Bridge to the Doctorate Fellowship has been invaluable. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for them. Along with that, the friendships and the relationships I have been able to build through them has been exceptional. Through my co-op experiences and experience in the lab, I have been able to target what I want to do. I want to be able to go into industry and become a researcher.
I wanted to start a program where I could learn and I can also use my skills from my public health background, but I also wanted it to be something that was being funded. Luckily, I came here, and once I came, I was able to get funded through the NSF Bridge to Doctorates, through the Alfred Sloan Fellowship, along with the McKnight Doctoral Fellowship. And those 3 fellowships have provided a home for me. To me, it's beautiful. Just seeing the diversity that you see at the College of Engineering in general. I'm able to work with students who have a background from India, from China, from Asia, from Africa, from Europe, from all over, from the Caribbean. And that way it's great because I get to learn about things that I would not have known otherwise, being somewhere where we didn't have that diversity. Plus, everyone's able to bring their own background, their own skills, their own knowledge to help deal with these issues.
I really encourage this experience because it has allowed me to travel to different laboratories or companies to do research and figure out exactly what you like to do. It has provided many opportunities for me, which I would not be able to have done so without it.
What I have learned mostly, besides all of the technical experience, is I've actually realized what my own potential is and what my own capabilities are. This experience has helped me to grow into my purpose, which is to encourage other African American males to seek educational opportunities for themselves.
I work in the Biomems and Microsystems Laboratory Group. It's called evanescent wave coupling using variable period subwavelength gratings for an optical MEMS accelerometer. I do that. I would have never imagined myself being able to even say something like that, and here it is, I'm getting ready to finish my PhD now. The research that I focus on is making an optical accelerometer. Now, this right here was something I never heard of prior to my PhD program, but in staying focused and being very, very driven, I was able to see this day coming before me now. And opportunities that have been provided to me since I've been at the University of South Florida, I can continue to count over and over how many of them there are. Like recently, yesterday, I just got back from Tel Aviv, Israel, where I was giving an oral lecture. Where I come from, I'm not supposed to be doing these kinds of things. Where I come from, I'm not supposed to be seeing these kinds of things. But here, these opportunities are continuing to come my way. The diversity at the University of South Florida is amazing. We're global engineers down here. And as I continue to go forward and I look at the benefits that have been associated with this program, I've really learned who I am. I've learned to know what it is I'm supposed to be doing with my life, and that is priceless.